Shed those pounds with a protein purpose. Janet will give us some details. Go, Janet.
I am Janet of the Obesity Prevention Center. Our today's topic, protein and purpose. 9 high-protein meal prep recipes for dynamic weight loss. Let me tell you, when it comes to weight loss, protein is an absolute superhero ingredient. Adding more high-quality, tasty protein foods into your daily diet can totally transform your weight loss game and set you up for some serious success. Protein brings so many bodacious benefits to the table that make it a must-have for any healthy, sustainable weight loss meal plan. First up, protein is downright amazing at controlling hunger and taming those wicked cravings that can derail your progress. The nutrients in protein-rich foods take longer for your body to break down, so they provide a much more rockin' feeling of fullness after meals. Keeping hunger locked down is clutch for weight loss because it stops you from overeating and makes it way easier to cut calories without feeling starved or deprived. No one wants to feel like they're starving. Talk about miserable. Protein also has a higher thermic effect than carbs or fats, meaning it revs up your metabolism more during digestion. Your body has to work harder to process protein, which burns extra calories even when you're just chilling. Swapping some carbs and fats for lean, awesome protein sources can help fire up your fat-burning furnace each day. Now that's what I call an easy metabolism boost. On top of that, protein is absolutely essential for building and maintaining gorgeous, calorie-burning lean muscle. When working on weight loss, you've got to shed fat but also hang on to that precious muscle. Getting enough protein prevents your muscles from breaking down while also helping them grow stronger when paired with resistance training. Preserving your muscle tone results in a smoking hot, toned physique, and who doesn't want that? By trying out some high-protein meal prep recipes, you can unlock protein's full weight loss magic. In this post, I'll be sharing 9 delicious ideas for pumping up the protein in breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinner. Get pumped to cook up nutritious, protein-loaded meals that will energize your bod, tantalize your taste buds, and turbocharge your weight loss wins. Let's get cooking. Breakfast boost, energizing your mornings with protein. Let's start with breakfast, which is hands down one of the best times to pack in some premium protein. Starting your day with a solid protein-focused meal is clutch for igniting your metabolism and keeping the hangry monster away until lunchtime rolls around. By whipping up protein-rich morning meals, you'll feel full, nourished, and ready to seize the day. Here are a couple protein-loaded breakfast recipes to help you start strong. Oatmeal gives you a nice, cozy breakfast base along with some quality complex carbs for sustained energy. But mix in protein-packed nut butter and antioxidant-filled berries, and suddenly you've got yourself a well-balanced meal that'll keep you feeling full and focused until lunch. The nut butter brings plant-based protein, healthy fats, and a dose of rich creaminess. And the berries not only add a pop of color and flavor, but also knock out any sweet cravings. Customize this protein oatmeal bowl with your favorite nut butter and whatever berries you've got. It's delicious every time. Scrambled eggs with spinach and feta. If you're all about that protein life, eggs are an easy breakfast go-to. Scrambled eggs whip up fast and can totally be customized to your taste. This recipe includes vitamin-loaded spinach and tangy crumbled feta, but you could also add veggies, meats, cheeses, anything. Eggs serve up the perfect ratio of amino acids to support your muscles, plus all sorts of beneficial vitamins and minerals. Eat this protein-packed scramble on its own, or pair it with whole grain toast or avocado if you want some extra staying power. Either way, eggs and protein for the win. Lunchtime sustenance, protein for midday satisfaction. All right, lunchtime. This is another prime opportunity to lean on protein as your weight loss ally. Crafting a satiating high-protein lunch is clutch for vanquishing midday energy slumps and curbing any nagging cravings. Try whipping up these lunches loaded with hunger-crushing protein. Grilled chicken and quinoa salad with lemon herb dressing. This balanced salad packs in protein with chicken, quinoa, and Greek yogurt. Grilled chicken brings a hefty dose of satiating protein and nutrients like zinc and B vitamins to support your bod. Quinoa delivers fiber, iron, and quality carbs to keep you energized. Greek yogurt provides an extra protein and calcium infusion. Together, these ingredients create a filling, protein-packed salad, and a zingy lemon herb dressing adds big flavor. Chickpea and avocado wrap with protein-rich hummus. If you're craving a vegetarian lunch, this chickpea and avocado wrap really delivers. Just mash up chickpeas with Greek yogurt, lemon juice, and spices for quick homemade hummus crammed with protein. Spread the hummus in a whole grain wrap, then pile in avocado, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, sprouts, whatever your heart desires. The chickpeas bring vegetarian protein and fiber, while the avocado supplies healthy fats to keep you satisfied. This wrap will knock out hunger all afternoon long. Smart snacking. Protein-powered cravings control. When it comes to snacking, protein is absolutely clutch for taming between meal cravings without derailing your goals. Choosing protein-focused snacks is vital for keeping energy and willpower strong. Try out these 2 easy, high-protein snack recipes. Greek yogurt parfait with mixed berries and almonds. Layer up vanilla Greek yogurt with mixed berries and roasted almonds for a snack that delivers protein, fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats. The Greek yogurt packs a protein and calcium punch. The berries provide natural sweetness to kill sugar cravings, and the almonds add crunch and more protein. Overall, this parfait makes an awesome nutrient-dense, craving-crushing snack. Roasted edamame with spices for on-the-go energy. When you're hustling around and need a filling, portable snack, roasted edamame is a great high-protein option. Edamame is made from immature soybeans, giving you a whopping amount of plant-based protein plus fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Look for lightly salted or spiced varieties to amp up the flavor. Pop some in your bag for a crunchy anytime protein snack. Dinner delights. Protein-forward dinners for weight loss. Last but not least, let's talk dinner. This is your chance to finish the day strong and keep your body nourished with lean, high-quality protein. Focusing on protein at dinner supports muscle recovery after a long day while keeping late-night snack attacks at bay. Try out these tasty protein-packed dinners. Baked salmon with quinoa and steamed asparagus. Salmon really is a nutritional MVP, delivering beneficial omega-3s along with plenty of protein. Baking keeps the salmon moist and infuses flavor from lemon, herbs, and garlic. Pair your fish with protein-rich quinoa and fiber-filled steamed asparagus for a well-rounded, balanced dinner. This combo of protein, complex carbs, and veggies makes for a super satisfying muscle-fueling meal. Tofu and vegetable stir-fry with ginger soy sauce. For a vegetarian dinner loaded with plant-based protein, try this colorful veggie stir-fry with tofu. Tofu provides an awesome source of protein plus antioxidants and pairs perfectly with the medley of crisp, tender vegetables. You'll get a motherload of vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients from this mix. The ginger soy sauce pumps up the flavor. Serve over brown rice for extra fiber and satisfaction. Embracing protein for sustainable weight loss success. When you're aiming for sustainable weight loss, making protein a priority is a total game changer. Incorporating more lean, high-quality protein foods into your breakfasts, lunches, snacks, and dinners provides major benefits for your goals and health. Protein truly is the ultimate weight loss wingman. It keeps your appetite under control so you can cut calories without suffering. It protects your precious calorie-burning muscle mass, and it cranks up your metabolism too. By consistently eating more protein-packed foods and trying new high-protein recipes, you can achieve lasting weight management success. Get creative with eggs, yogurt, nuts, seeds, beans, lean meats, fish, tofu. The list goes on. Arm yourself with protein-focused meals and snack ideas to stay on track every single day. Use the recipes in this post as inspiration, then get cooking with protein to build your own arsenal of meals that work for your tastes and lifestyle. Pair your pumped-up protein intake with regular exercise and positive lifestyle habits for total body wellness. You've totally got this. Here's to embracing protein as your weight loss secret weapon.
That was great. Thank you for being with me and Janet today. To all our viewers, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Our newsletter is also packed with special offers and exclusive content directly to your inbox. See you on our next vlog.